Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a whole month, but I was sick and the doctor, put me on some rest and I am feeling a little bit better. I'm not back to normal yet, but I wanted to share with you some home projects that we've been doing the past month while I was gone from YouTube. So here it is. The first thing we got was finally the impact window, you guys. And we started by removing our shutters outside. This is my stepdad. He always comes through when it comes to helping us with this home projects. So we removed all the shutters first and then you know, got the house ready for the new impact window installation. As you can see, we're gonna have to repair this area once the new windows are installed because the shutters left some holes in there and whatnot. And here are the new impact windows. I was excited for this project, but it really was a messy project. The company that we hire unfortunately did such a crappy installation job. I was not happy with it, but I was happy with the end result of the new windows. We went with white windows. I really wanted black windows, but the association was taking too long to approve the black ones. So we decided to go with white ones because we wanted to get this project out of the way. And the day finally came after months of waiting for them. And here's a little, footage of how everything went. The company was just messy, you guys. They dented so many of them, scratched so many of the windows. We were not happy. We did put a complaint to the company, so I would not be leaving the company info here because I do not recommend them. The manufacturer of the window I will leave because they were great. The windows were exactly how I wanted them, but not the company, okay? So just for the record. And yep. This is how the house looks right after they install the windows. Then we head inside and we started removing these marble pieces here in the window because they sticked out a little bit. And I just want them a clean look and flush look for now. So since we were doing the window, this is what we started doing. We just paid someone to come and get them out and replace and clean up, and then they went ahead and painted all the areas where we did the repairs, and everything looks so good now, guys. And I forgot to record that after, but you're gonna be seeing the new windows and all of that. Then I started playing with tape. Don't look at my tape skills, but I want to do a molding wall and an accent wall in this area, so stay tuned because that's coming soon. And I just wanted to share how it looked. We finished putting the bricks on the outside windows as well, and we painted and patched the area, so everything looks nice and clean now. So after we finished all the repairs, we paid someone to come and clean the house inside, and then we took care of the outside. We cleaned the entire outside. We power washed the entire house because it was just full of dust from the construction, and it was time to clean this up. If you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen this video. It's pretty much a collaboration that I did over on Instagram with At Home Store to refresh my front door with like a designer inspired look. And you guys, I found so many nice pieces in there. So stay tuned for that sprint video because you're gonna be seeing a lot of refresh throughout the house on that Decorate With Me video that it's coming soon. Then the company came to reinstall all blinds finally because I needed my blinds, you guys. I needed my privacy. And then we head to Sam to do some shopping, and I found the Anthropology dupe mirror, and I'm putting this in my office, so stay tuned. I will be unboxing it with you guys. We also got some new rocks for the living room as well, so I had the hubby, put those up since I can't be doing too much lifting or anything, so I have the guys help out. So stay tuned so you guys can see the whole spring refresh coming next.